everyone! Today in this video we will talk about Web 3.0 and all the evolution of the internet from Web 1.0 to Web 3.0 and why Web 3.0 is something different from the Metaverse. At the inception of the internet, the users had only ability to browse pages. It was read-only concept. The site data was stored in file systems in the servers and often was rendered to the users as it was. The primitive database was in use. This was the era of Web 1.0. With the development of databases and emergence of cloud technology that could store huge amount of data, social networking came to the internet. There appeared ubiquitous authorization and the ability to create an account on almost every site. It is emergence of interactivity that distinguishes Web 1.0 from Web 2.0, read and write concept. The users began to voluntarily leave the data and consent the data collection of a change of the ability to use resources. The company are able to make money on this data, selling them or using them for marketing needs. Web 2.0 era ruled by recommendation algorithms. The corporations are interested to keep people on the platform, so the companies tend to show to the person the content that will keep him interested. The algorithms takes in account many factors, which is why if two different users will open two pages of YouTube, for example, it will look for them completely different. In the last few years, it was increasingly suggested that current internet model is obsolete and has to be reviewed. Corporations are greedily collect our data, censor it, and know about users even more than their closest relatives. Almost 90% of the sites concentrated in the hands of 4 providers that support such a popular service like YouTube, Netflix, and Facebook. In the same way, all data is stored in the servers of companies or cloud server offices and has risk to be stolen or to be misused. With the advent of the blockchain technology, is it possible to decentralize the data storage. If before data was stored in the data centers, with blockchain technology, data will be stored in the computers of individuals that called miners. And this new concept of working with the data became a basic of a Web 3.0. Internet users are constantly creating pictures, videos, text. Sometimes it's even real work of art in a digital space. And often it's turned out that all this creation belong not to creator, but the platform where it's laid out. In the Web 3.0, the content will be protected by the NFT smart contracts that protects ownership. Having the NFT smart contracts will guarantee your rights to your digital assets. For example, before in a gaming, if you somehow was blocked by administrator of the game, you was losing all your assets that you earned during the game. Now it's not possible. Having your NFT contract, you will be able to sell or to change your digital assets privately or on NFT markets like OpenSea. That's why now such a things has a value. Web 3.0 will include all software products that will use decentralization technologies, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So that means that Web 3.0 is a programming methodology, and if product include some elements of Web 3.0, it could be considered as a product of Web 3.0 generation. And the Metaverse is an internet platform that may use or may not use the technology of Web 3.0. It's a different things. You can watch what is it Metaverse in my previous videos as well. Love you so much for watching this video. If you like it, press the like. This is how now we show our feelings to the YouTube. Subscribe and I will keep you updated on this topic in my next videos.